Hi, my name is Barbra Mansour and this is Robert Mansour. We have two young kids. We've been living in this home since 2017. We absolutely love it. It's a place for us to really create family memories. So we actually, 2.5 years ago, we moved from Calgary out back to KW. Rob was born and raised in Kitchener. So what we were looking for in a neighborhood was really kids-friendly communities, and we wanted something that's geared more towards our family and lifestyle.
We had an opportunity to look at Activa in Waterloo, Activa in Kitchener, and just the quality was where it's at, and we decided to go with this neighborhood here. The first second we walked into the Activa model home, we just kind of realized that this is kind of what we're looking for in terms of standards.
I think Activa was one of the only houses that actually had a family room upstairs models when we looked at it, because it was very common in a Calgary home, but not a lot of builders out in Ontario had that. I love decor. I had a vision, and working with Barb was amazing to bring my vision to life. That's what I loved. It turns out there's so much to choose from, and even the stuff that they might not have had in this sort of studio, they were able to bring to life to us.
It all came to fruition, and it was there, and it was exactly what we wanted.
My favorite part is the kitchen. We love to entertain our families and our friends and just building memories for our kids. And this is our time, bonding time, over a glass of wine and getting the veggies and our apps and our main dishes prepared.
My favorite part is probably the family room. The family room brings us all together when we're not hosting and just hang out.
Wow, that's what I said. The first thing I walked in, this is what we did together. And it was just a gratifying moment for us, and just felt really more, this is where we're gonna raise our family. So.
Yeah.
You know, we've been here now for about 1.5 years. We've made really good friends just being in the neighborhood as well.
24 hours, we had kids knocking on the door for asking our kids to play outside. Yeah. And that's something that we haven't seen in a long time. It's peaceful, quiet, right by the river. And yeah, we can't ask for anything more.